So I would basically like to talk a little bit about gender-related problems in local governance. Well, firstly, as all of us know, we have very little, very small percentage of local government leaders who are females, who are women. So in terms of really proportion between men and women is very small. So so the first challenge really is to kind of like increase the number of women local leaders. That is one challenge. The other challenge, perhaps contributing to such kind of low representation at local level, is the stereotype that we have in mind. And by that I mean, what I mean is that women, people often think women cannot be better leaders. Leadership is often for men. This is not so very rampantly present in Bhutan, but there are pockets, there are people who think that leadership is just for men. So this is, I think, for us, the second challenge. Then the third, quite common challenge, I would think, is a very low self-esteem and confidence that women have of themselves. Women often think that they are themselves very inferior to men. Men could be better leaders and much better than them. So I think to really improve such kind of low self-esteem and improve this very low confidence in our women folks is one of the challenges I would think is concerning local governance at this point of time. Not really concerning, I mean local governance is functioning, but if you really look at it from the gender angle, we would want more women to come forward and then be active in local governance and as well as the governance on the whole. But because of such factors, the prevailing factors, there is very low representation of women at local level as well as in at other levels of local governance. But I think things are changing, is improving every year. I mean, like with every passing year, things are getting better. So we hope that with certain inputs, with certain efforts being made from the government, for instance, like if you invest in things like public training women on public speaking, giving them basic courses on leadership, I think things will change. I'm very optimistic about that. Thank you so much.